Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, we are going to add an extension to your Chrome web browser. Hopefully it will work, okay? So you're going to go to Google and you're going to type in Chrome Web Store, okay? So it comes up, Chrome Web Stores, Google Chrome. Click on that and you can see we're in it, okay? You can see I'm logged in. So over here we're going to search the store and we're going to type Kami, K-A-M-I, and hit enter. And that first one that comes up is the extension that I want you to have, okay? So I'm going to go to the blue button and I'm going to click Add to Chrome. Now it comes up here and it says Add KamiExtension, PDF, and Document Annotation. Click the white button, Add Extension. Okay, so KamiExtension has been added to Chrome. Use this extension by clicking on the icon. So at this point, when I upload an assignment that is a PDF, you can open it in Kami, and we will be working on that.